Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage permissions policy headers in Google Chrome, step by step in 2026. If certain browser features like camera, microphone, full screen, geolocation, or payment requests aren't working on a website, permissions policy settings might be the reason. Permissions policy is a security feature that allows website owners to control which browser features can be used and by which frames or embedded content. Let's walk through how to check and manage it. First, open Google Chrome and visit the website you want to test. Right-click on the page and select Inspect to open Chrome DevTools. Go to the Network tab at the top. Refresh the page so Chrome captures all network requests. Click on the main document request, usually the first item in the list with the website's domain. On the right panel, go to the Headers section. Scroll down to Response Headers. Look for a header called Permissions-Policy. This header controls what features are allowed or blocked. For example, you might see something like Permissions-Policy, camera equals open parenthesis, close parenthesis, microphone equals open parenthesis, close parenthesis, geolocation equals open parenthesis, self close parenthesis. This means the site blocks camera and microphone, but allows geolocation only from the same origin. If features are not working, this header might be too restrictive. Now open the Console tab in DevTools. Chrome may show warnings if a feature is blocked by permissions policy. These messages help identify exactly what's restricted. If you're a developer, you'll need to edit server configuration to adjust the header. This is done on the back end, not inside Chrome. For example, you can allow features using rules like permissions dash policy colon camera equals open parenthesis self close parenthesis comma microphone equals open parenthesis self close parenthesis comma geolocation equals open parenthesis self close parenthesis. If the issue involves embedded content, such as iframes, make sure the iframe also has proper allow attributes like allow equals camera semicolon microphone semicolon geolocation. If you're just testing as a user, try opening the site in incognito mode to rule out extension conflicts. Some extensions interfere with browser permissions. Also make sure Chrome is updated. Go to Help greater than About Google Chrome and install any updates. Permissions policy improves security, but incorrect settings can block essential features, and that's how you manage Google Chrome permissions policy headers step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome and web development tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.